Welcome to the AI XMOS Store Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate leads from your store in AI XMOS Store. Go to the left menu and click on the Manage Stores option. Now you are on the Manage Store page. Click on Store Setting option. Enable the Pop-up View option and choose the Pop View option according to your choice. An onload pop-up will show when the user loads the store. On exit pop-up will show when the user exit the store screen. In time delay pop-up will show according to your given time delay. You can get leads from the store by using this pop-up option. All of your generated leads are shown in the Leads section. Your leads will also added an autoresponder when you integrate any autoresponder in the automation section. You can manage your leads via GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or Allbirr. Thanks for watching the video.